The Supreme Court ruled that MPs and MLAs cannot claim immunity from prosecution for taking bribes to vote or make speeches in the parliament. This ruling challenges Article 105, Clause 2, which lays down that no member of parliament shall be liable to any proceedings in any court in respect of anything said or any vote given in parliament or any committee thereof. A corresponding provision gives immunity to members of state legislatures under Article 194, Clause 2. The case that brought this issue to light involved Sita Soren, a leader of the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, accused of accepting a bribe for a 2012 Rajya Sabha vote. Soren argued for immunity under Article 194, Clause 2, but the Jharkhand High Court rejected her plea. She then appealed to the Supreme Court, which has led to this landmark decision. This judgment overturns the 1998 P.V. Narasimha Rao vs. CBI verdict, which had granted immunity to MPs and MLAs under Article 105, Clause 2 and 194, Clause 2. This ruling protected lawmakers from prosecution for bribery related to their parliamentary speech or voting. Now, the new decision clarifies that MPs and MLAs can be held accountable for bribery cases even if it involves their speeches or votes in Parliament. The 1998 judgment shielded lawmakers who received bribes in exchange for their votes or speeches. For instance, Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra was alleged to have taken money for raising questions in Parliament. Things could have taken a different course had this judgment existed then. However, the court emphasized that acts of bribery outside legislative houses remain prosecutable under the Prevention of Corruption Act. This move by the Supreme Court raises questions about how it could impact the political equation. The ruling party could use it as a tool to silence opposition MPs and MLAs accusing them of bribery, or it might encourage lawmakers to exercise greater accountability, knowing that they can now be held liable for receiving bribes for executing their parliamentary roles.
Subscribe to the Federal's YouTube page for more news and updates.